right now. So I'm in an Uber. Just parked the car at cousin's house. She's still sleeping. I'm gonna call her in a few. 18-20 minute ride to the airport. It's good on time. Stash, the 1970s porn star stash. See how that's coming out. It's like the Magnum PI police mustache from the 80s. All the cops had a mustache. Let's see. Where's the next adventure gonna take us? Let's see how it goes. Boarded. Scored a really good seat. Row 1. Beautiful women here of Colombia, the Paisas. Always a good sight for sore eyes. And I can get to the other ATMs here. I've got some cash from the last trip, but figure I'd get a bunch more so I don't have to take another trip out to the ATM. Alright, let's try Colombia. So Ubers are illegal here, so he's probably going to send me a message where to go to get picked up. I'm so far away, 1.5 miles. I think they're coming in from this side. I'll just walk so he doesn't have to enter the airport. I actually never been beyond the thing there, beyond the escalator. Full on busy with work. I'm here at co-living. Got my little mini fridge. I got everything I need here. Got the big room. Say hello. Laura came to visit me, and I'm about to head out to Rufino for lunch. Come back to work, and then start working again. Maybe I'll head out to D1, get my shopping bag. Head out to D1 and get some water. I'm out of water. And yeah, and normally I eat pretty healthy, but I've got some fast food. Just sometimes I get super busy with work and I can't get out. Just do some fast food, but normally I'm eating pretty healthy. So someone asked me to cut off the mustache and the bigode because it was pica la cuca. My Uber driver's laughing. What a beautiful mural. So yeah, so we're here in Las Palmas, Medellín. Ladrona.
Le robó un iPhone 12 Pro Max.
No, no le robó nada.
Sí, una cadena de oro. Mira los taxis que están aquí. Uy. Wow. Wow, look at these beautiful girls. Look at these beautiful girls. Wow, oh my God. Salma's first time in Provenza, and Laura's been here before.
Oh, frío.
¿Tienes frío? Vamos a tomar para calentarte. Salma's cold, so we're gonna have to get some drinks. So cool. Okay. ¿Quieren cocina abierta? ¿Aquí o allá? Lo voy a romper. I'm gonna break that chair.
Te sigue viendo así, cerrado, acariciando la noticia de que tú no volverás desorientado.
Desorientado. Please help me grow my channel by hitting the subscribe button. Right below here, there's a subscribe button. Hit that. The thumbs up, that's a like. Please click on that. And click on the bell. The bell will notify you the next time I've uploaded a new video so you can watch it right away. Write me a comment. Tell me what you like, you dislike. Tell me what you want to see. Let me know. Thank you for watching. Here from Medellin with my Buddha. Aloha.